Hi everyone, this is Soria Galon. In this video, I'm going to have a teaching demo. So this is my lesson plan. Okay, that's it. So let's start. Good morning, class. How are you today? Okay, so please all stand for the prayer. And then please lead the prayer. Amen. Okay, pick up some pieces of paper and then please arrange your chairs. Okay, let's start with checking your attendance. So please count. Very good. You didn't have absent. So very good. That's great. Okay, so did you bring your illustration board? Okay, very good. So, but before that, before we start, please, can anyone review our previous lesson yesterday? So our previous lesson, I mean. Okay, so very good. Thank you. So last meeting we tackled about circles. So for now, let's move on to another topic. So, okay, get your illustration board. So in your illustration board, please draw or write a ray BC and ray BA. And then a point A and a point C, connect them. Okay, are you done? Okay, very good. So what have you observed? What figure did we come up? So the figure we come up is very good. We have triangle. So triangle. So from the have you heard the song that three corners, three sides, it got three corners, and that is triangle. We have three sides and three corners. So for today, we're going to tackle about the terms associated with triangle. So please read, Mr. Yes. Okay, very good. So we have a triangle is a polygon formed by these segments join at their end points. And then the segments are the sides and the end points are the vertices. So again, formed by its three sides. We have three sides here. And then we have vertices. And that segments we form vertices. And then every sides we form vertices. Okay, so the angles formed by any two consecutive sides are the angles of the triangle. And a triangle is named using their vertices. So again, triangle is named using its vertices. So for example, we have here triangle. We have A, B, and C. So we called it triangle ABC because, as what I have mentioned earlier, that triangle is named through its vertices. So we have triangle ABC and we have vertex A, vertex B, vertex C. And then we have side AB, side BC, and side AC. And then we have angle A, angle B, and angle C. Did you get that? Okay, very good. So let's move on to right triangle. So a right triangle is the sides that form the right angle are called the legs. And the side opposite the right angle is the hypotenuse. Again, so right triangle, from the word right, it comes from the right angle. So we call it right triangle because of its measure 90 degrees. So that is right angle. And then the sides that form the right angle, we call it legs. So we call it legs. And then the side that opposite of the right angle, we call it hypotenuse. Okay, very good. So let's move on to an isosceles triangle. So an isosceles triangle has two equal sides. And the two equal sides, we called it legs. So this is two equal sides and we call it legs. And then the two equal sides, we form a vertex and we call it vertex angle. And then the other angle, this one, these two, we called it base angle, and the sides that opposite the vertex angle, we called it base. Did you get that? Okay, very good. So let's move on to the secondary parts of our triangle. So what are those secondary parts of a triangle? Okay, so we have here median and altitude. So median. So first we're going to discuss first a median. So a median is a triangle, is a segment from a vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. So from the word itself, median, so that is middle. So as what it's mentioned that the median is from its vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. So the opposite side of our vertex here is side AC. And then if side AC has midpoint D, and then we form a segment BD, then we called it median. Catch up? Okay, so how about an altitude? So an altitude of a triangle is a segment from a vertex perpendicular to the line containing the opposite side. So that is altitude. So from the vertex to the opposite side, and you form a perpendicular. So what do you mean by perpendicular? Perpendicular means you form 90 degree. So that means you form a perpendicular. So if EF here and DG, if EF is perpendicular to DG, thus EF is an altitude. So what is the difference between median and altitude? So when we say median, the connection of vertex and its midpoint. While in altitude, it should have a perpendicular. So it should have a 90-degree measure. Did you get that? And then how about the difference between right triangle and isosceles? So when we say right triangle, we form a right angle. And then when we say isosceles, we have two equal sides. So take note that. Don't forget that one. Okay, so how about we're going to try So try to construct a triangle HIJ, and then locate its legs, its sides, its vertex, and then its angles. And then try also if a triangle HIJ is an isosceles, try to find its legs and its base angles and its vertex angle. Okay. So okay, let's going to check. So anyone? So did you get the correct answer? Okay, very good. Okay, so I think we're ready for our exercises. Okay, please get your activity number 20. And then start. I will give you 15 minutes to answer. Okay, time's up. Let us check your paper. Okay, so who got a perfect score? Okay, very good. So you're really smart. Very good. That's very good. Okay, so that's all for today. And then I hope you learned a lot. And then don't forget to appreciate the beauty of learning mathematics. Don't forget that mathematics is very easy. Don't forget that. Okay, that's all. And goodbye and thank you, class. And see you tomorrow. Bye.